Good morning, sir. Bhakti Khandelwal present.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Partha present.
Good morning.
sir. Good
Good
morning, sir. Divyan present.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes, Parth. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I want to say that, sir, today is a combined class. So, sir, can we do the competition between our class and the fifth?
Today we will
And
study
our class.
a new topic in ranking. The name of the topic is ranking.
Selling reasoning.
Yes, ranking.
Good morning, sir.
You can write down the next topic of reasoning.
Sir, please wait. Sir, I forgot to bring my reasoning copy.
Please bring it. Ranking is the topic.
Sir, this is a new topic. Sir, we have to write this.
Yes, it is a new topic. Write down the heading. Ranking. Yes, ready, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Sir, written.
Okay, so let me first tell you the basics of this topic. Then we will straight away start with the questions. It will be the best way of understanding the topic by doing the questions itself. Okay, so first of all, a very basic question. You don't have to write this in your copies. ऐसी मैं आपसे एक जनरल सी बात पूछता हूँ, बहुत कॉमन सेंस वाली बात है. I want you all to answer my question. Suppose there are 10 students in your class. Okay, 10 students are there, and there is a student named A. एक student है जिसका नाम है A. Okay, his rank from the starting is 6th. अगर starting से देखें, top से देखें, from the top his rank is 6th. Can you tell me what is his rank from the bottom? Bottom से उसकी rank क्या होगी? जल्दी आंसर
Sir, what is ranking basically?
Yeah, A's rank from the top is 6th. There are 10 students in the class. His rank from the top is 6th. Can you tell me what is his rank from the bottom? Bottom
Sir,
second.
fifth.
Sir,
fourth. Sir, four. Sir, four. Sir, four.
Fourth.
Sir, four.
कॉमन सेंस वाली बात है, सारे बच्चे 10 - 6 करके बता देंगे. 4 आंसर है, फोर्थ रैंक. Am I right or not? From
Yes,
the bottom.
sir.
But let me tell you, 4 is
Yes, sir.
Yes,
4 is the
sir.
wrong answer.
Sir, five.
5, fifth rank. Can you tell me why? 5 is the correct answer. From the bottom, A's rank will be 5th. Shrey, can you give me the reason why?
Sir, I think we will include six.
देखिए सपोज ए से पहले जो लेट मी राइट द नेम्स ऑफ ऑल द 10 स्टूडेंट्स। चलो सबके नाम ही लिखूंगा। फर्स्ट रैंक पे कोई एक बच्चा होगा, फर्स्ट रैंक वाला, फिर सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ। सिक्स्थ पर कौन है? सिक्स्थ पोजीशन, सिक्स्थ रैंक किसकी है? ए की है। ओके, मैंने सिक्स्थ पे ए को लिख दिया। देन सेवेंथ पे कोई और होगा, एट पे कोई और होगा।
Sir, we have to write.
नो, डोंट राइट इट, डोंट राइट इट। 10th पे कोई और होगा। एम आई राइट? तो स्टार्टिंग से देखेंगे ए की पोजीशन क्या है, व्हाट इज एज रैंक फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग, व्हाट इज हिज पोजीशन इन द क्लास फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग। फ्रॉम द टॉप ही इज एट द 6th पोजीशन। ये तो मैंने आपको बताया था। देयर आर 10 स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास, फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग हिज पोजीशन इज 6, फ्रॉम द बॉटम हिज पोजीशन इज व्हाट? बच्चे बोले 4 है, बट द आंसर इज 5। काउंट करिए, देखिए 1 2 3 4 5। What is the position of A from the bottom?
5.
Five.
5.
Are you
Sir, I
getting
told
it?
this only, sir. We will include 6.
Yes. Have you understood what I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया सबको? So most of the
Yes,
questions
sir.
will be like this only in this chapter. If there will be something new, I will give you the introduction, and I will explain the. If there is something new, I will explain it.
Yes, sir.
And then we can do questions on that topic also. So let us start with the questions. I hope you all will be writing the questions in your notebook. It is very, very important to write the questions in your notebook and then do them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So then we have to send the answer in the chat box.
So this is the basic concept. अगर अच्छा एक बात सुनिए ध्यान से, ये तो अभी केवल 10 स्टूडेंट्स है, मैंने लिख दिया यहाँ पर। If I tell you that there are 100 students in the class, so you will write all the 100 students. कोई ना कोई तरीका तो उसका होना चाहिए। क्या तरीका होगा उसका?
Yes, sir. Yes, it's 50-50.
50-50 क्या? Suppose there are 100 students in a class and
Sir, can you please repeat the topic name as it's not clear?
ranking, reasoning,
Okay, sir.
ranking. रीजनिंग का टॉपिक है रैंकिंग। दिस इज RANKING, RANK, rank, ING, ranking. Okay, so suppose there are 100 students in the class and A की पोजीशन मान लीजिए 13th है from the starting। कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं? 100। A की पोजीशन क्या है?
Sir, from the starting.
From the starting, from the top, his position is 13th. Can you tell me what is his position from the bottom? Bottom से क्या position? तो मैं अब am I going to write all the 100 numbers here? Not possible to write because it will take a lot of time. Obviously, it is possible, but it will take a lot of time. You don't have this much time in your exams. तो क्या करेंगे? There is a method.
Sir,
You
the answer is
subtract
86.
13 from 100 and whatever
Sir,
the
87.
difference is,
Sir, 87.
1 add, उसमें 1 ऐड कर लीजिए। ओके,
Sir, 88.
Yes, sir.
88.
100 minus
88.
87, 87 plus 1 is equals to
88.
तो आपका आंसर
88.
your answer is 88th position from the bottom. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can the question be from the top? So, like,
Yes,
what
what?
is the position from the top? So, like, you are asking right now from the bottom. What is the position from the bottom?
Yes, obviously. If I give you the position from the bottom, you can, in the same way, you can find the position from the top also. Okay, just a minute.
Yes, sir. So, why you have circled 6 and written A in front of that.
Sir, I do not understand this.
What? Sorry, Abhiyan?
Sir, what Asfa said?
Sorry, Abhiyan, क्या कह रहे हो?
Sir, what Asfa was saying, I am not able to hear that. Sir, please explain again.
Again. Okay. Abhiyan, I'm not able to get what you are saying.
Sir, I was saying what was Asfa was asking.
Asfa, what were you asking?
I was asking that, right now, sir is asking, he has given the position from the top, so he can ask from the bottom, like he
Let me
can
give
give
you
the
an
position
example.
of
Let me
the.
explain what I'm trying to say with the help of an example. What Asfa is trying to say. I will give you an example for that. Let me give you an example. Suppose there are 8 students in a class, only 8 students. Okay. Only 8 students are there. And there is a person named A. His position from the bottom is third. Third from bottom. Bottom से position given है. This is what Asfa is saying. If the position
Due to
from bottom is second, then what is A's position from the top? Top से position अगर हम देखेंगे तो वो क्या होगी? A की position. You have to
The
tell this.
sixth.
Okay, sir, I
Give the answer.
understood.
So the
What is
answer is
the?
sixth position.
Yes, the correct answer is 6. बिल्कुल same वैसे ही करेंगे. क्या करेंगे आप? You will subtract 8 minus 3 and then add 1. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So what is the answer? 6th position. इसका reason क्या है?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I couldn't listen you because of connection.
हाँ तो बेटा recording देखना.
Sir, I was giving and joining again and again.
बहुत ध्यान से जल्दी सुनो. मैं कुछ नहीं बताया ऐसा. A's position. Suppose there are only 8 students in a class. A's position from the bottom is third. Third position है bottom से. तो top से क्या position होगी? There is a method of finding it. 8 minus 3 कर लीजिए, उसमें 1 ऐड कर लीजिए. तो 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. That means A की position from the starting will be 6. Now
Okay, sir.
first, second, top से लिख रहा हूँ मैं ये. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. 8 students are there. From the bottom, A की position third है. Third position from the bottom क्या होगी? First, second, third. That means from the bottom if we are talking, A की position क्या है? Third है. 1, 2, 3. Top से देखेंगे तो क्या है? 6th obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the answer. कैसे निकाला देखिए. आपको ये हर बार बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't have to make this every time. You can use a shortcut method. क्या है shortcut method? ये है. Clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear. Yes, sir.
Okay, let me give you a question on this. I will share my screen. You all will note down the question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And give your answer in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Don't
Sir,
give
we
it
do
like
not
this.
have to write in notebook the question.
You have to note the question in your notebook. आपको आंसर नोटबुक में क्वेश्चन नोटबुक में लिखना है एंड देन द आंसर आल्सो ऑब्वियसली नोटबुक में करेक्ट आंसर लिखना आफ्टर चेकिंग इट आई विल गिव यू द करेक्ट आंसर आल्सो बट before that you have to give your answer in the chat box. Okay, I want to see all those who are giving it correctly or wrong. Okay, so here is the question.
Okay, sir.
Start doing
Okay,
it.
sir.
Do it and note down the question also in your notebook. Okay. Some of you have already given your answers in the chat box. Others also, please give your answer.
Sir, I've sent it now. I'm writing the question.
Sir, I Navdeep Gupta has given you the answer.
Very good.
Sir, I have also sent you.
Sir, in notebook we have to write down options also and then answer.
Options, it is not compulsory to write the options. You can just write down the question if you want.
Sir, so we can write the answer and question, then only the formula.
You just write the question and give the answer. Okay, give the correct answer. No need to write all the options.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
Very good. Okay, so time is up. Everyone, I hope you all have given your answers. Also written the question in your copies. Have you all written the question in your copies?
Sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'm going to stop sharing the
And
screen.
give an answer also.
I'm now going to stop sharing the screen. Okay.
Sir, now please tell the answer.
Yeah. So the correct answer is 32.
So my answer was correct. Sir, and
Let's
Sir,
second
please
time.
tell the first,
Sir,
second,
my
third.
answer was correct. My answer is also
The
correct.
first, second, third.
So it was very easy.
Sir,
There are 49.
what is the answer?
There are 49 students in the class. From the starting, Nitin's rank is 18th. That means from the last, how will you find out? 49 minus 18 plus 1. So 49 minus 18 is equals to
31.
31.
31,
31 plus 1 is equal to 32.
32. The answer is 32.
That means the
Sir,
answer is,
who tell the first?
Sir,
I'm-
whose answers are correct?
I'm giving you the positions. So first one to answer is Shatakshi. Correct answer. Very good. Second is Ansharya. Third is Aspa. Very good. Aspa, you gave 31 as the answer first. पहले आपने 31 आंसर दिया था.
Sir, I got confused, sir, a little bit.
Parth. Next is Parth. Then
Ma'am, then I realized. Sir, my position is which one?
बता रहे हैं बेटा. After Parth it is Bhakti, and after Bhakti it is Gaurav. गौरव के बाद आ जाइए. Then correct answer करने वाले अभिनव कुमार राठौर. Who is Abhinav Kumar Rathod?
Sir, I.
Your name is Abhinav?
Yes, sir. Abhinav Kumar Rathore.
बेटा your name is Abhinav Kumar Rathod. अरे पार्थ गुप्ता तुमसे पूछ रहा हूँ मैं.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. Aspa has given the answer C. बाद में Aspa ने सही कर लिया. Then Arishal. After Aspa it is Arishal, and then there is Shrey Kakkar.
Sir, after Aspa or Abhinav?
After Abhinav. Okay. Then there is Shrey Kakkar. Okay. So these are the students who have given the correct answers. Some of you have given answer 31 as well, but 31 is not the right answer. मैंने आपको बताया the
Because
correct
we have to put one.
32 is the correct answer. Okay. Any doubt, anyone? May I ask you the
No.
next question?
No, sir. No, sir, now please ask the next question.
Yes.
Sir, but today is the Palak ma'am class. Sir, our fifth day.
I'm going to ask you the next question. Just wait a minute.
So today maths class is of 2 times. At last also there is maths class.
Sir, please started sharing the screen.
Yes. Just wait. I'm finding a good question for you.
Sir, it's 10:20.
Yeah.
No, sir. Oh, 1 minute is 1 minute is left.
नहीं बेटा.
Sir, but in my
Sir, class over set in 10:30.
minutes are left.
Yes, sir.
class
Yes, sir.
10:30. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It comes
Okay, next question.
clearly written in front.
Next question I'm sharing. You all need to note down the question in your copies also. Don't forget to note down the question in your copies also. Okay. And give your answer in the chat box. This is the question. This is a little different one from the last one.
Sir, now please stop sharing.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have written answer. I asked.
No, sir, please wait, sir. Sir, please wait.
Hmm.
Sir, please mute him. Sir, please mute him.
Done, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, now
sir.
please tell me answer and post.
Sir, done.
Just a minute. Abhiyan is noting down the question in his copy. Abhiyan, have you taken a screenshot or have you noted it?
Sir, noted.
Okay. Okay, so let me first tell you the correct answer. The correct answer is
Yes, sir.
34. 34 is the correct answer. Now let me tell you who all have given the correct answer. Correct answers. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, so they start from here.
Sir, who is the first?
The first one to give the correct answer is Gaurav Pahilajan. Very good, Gaurav. Good, Gaurav. Good. Good, Gaurav. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Then the second one who has given the correct answer is Parth Gupta. Third one is
Sir, who was
Ayan.
first?
First
Sir,
is
who was
Gaurav.
first?
First is Gaurav. Second is Parth. Third is Ayan. Ayan कौन है बच्चा?
Sir, he's from 5th B.
Ayan Hussain. Ayan Hussain, you are from 5th B. Very good. Then next
Yes,
is
sir.
fourth one is Simran. Fifth one is Vishesh. and sixth one is शताक्षी। उसके बाद 2-3 बच्चों ने आंसर जब मैंने बता दिया उसके बाद आंसर दोबारा से भेज दिया, उनके मैं कंसिडर नहीं करूंगा। ओके, सो
So what was the correct answer?
the correct answer is 34. Let me explain how. बहुत सिंपल सा है। फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग क्या नाम है बच्चे का, क्या दिया हुआ है? संजीव नाम है, क्या नाम है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, Sanjeev.
Sanjeev.
Yeah, Sanjeev is ranking from the top. He is ranking 7th. टॉप से अगर हम बात करें तो क्या ranking?
The time is less, so please ask the one question.
7th rank है। टॉप से देखेंगे तो it is 7th, लेकिन बॉटम से अगर
Sir,
हम
I know how to solve this type of question.
अगर हम बॉटम से देखेंगे तो क्या रैंक है? 28। अब देखो ध्यान से, मेरी बात सुनिए, बहुत इजी है तरीका, बहुत इजी है इसको निकालने का।
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो इट वाज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट वन। मैंने आपको बोला था जैसे जैसे डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस आएंगे आई विल कीप ऑन एक्सप्लेनिंग देम। सुनो मेरी बात, सुनो बेटा सुनो, मुझे बताओ संजीव इज 7th फ्रॉम द टॉप, तो संजीव से पहले कौन कौन से बच्चे हैं? हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर जो संजीव से पहले आ रहे हैं?
17.
6 आर देयर, बिकॉज़ संजीव क्या है? 7th पर है। तो संजीव से ऊपर कौन
Yes,
है?
sir.
कितने बच्चे हैं? हाउ मेनी आर देयर?
So 6.
6.
6, sir.
टॉप से 7th पर है संजीव, दैट इज व्हाई उसके ऊपर कितने बच्चे हैं? 6। ओके, एंड संजीव बॉटम से कहां पर है? 28th पोजीशन पर है। दैट मींस संजीव के आगे कितने हैं? 27 है, बिकॉज
27.
संजीव इज एट द 28th पोजीशन। तो संजीव के आगे कितने बचे? 27 बचे। 6
Yes, sir.
27 प्लस 1 क्यों कर रहे हैं? संजीव को भी तो काउंट
So
करो।
because
Yes, Sanjeev.
संजीव
Yes,
को भी तो
sir.
काउंट करेंगे। संजीव को काउंट कहाँ करा था अभी? संजीव के ऊपर 6 है, संजीव के नीचे 27 है, प्लस संजीव को भी काउंट करेंगे प्लस 1, टोटल कितने हो गए? 34 इज द आंसर। क्लियर?
Sir, I have used another technique. Can I tell?
हाँ जी बताइए, अनदर टेक्निक बताइए।
Sir, I have just add 28 and 7 and minus 1 from it.
That
The
is also
answer
correct.
comes.
That is also absolutely correct.
Yes, sir.
Both the methods
Yes,
are
sir.
correct. So clear? 34 is the answer.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, another one. Be ready.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Please दिखा देता हूँ।
Sir, it is the last question.
Yes.
Sir, I don't think we will do because the time is up. It's 10:29.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want you all to take a screenshot of this question because I don't think you will be able to note it down in your copies in such less time. So आप जल्दी से screenshot ले लीजिए. Okay. And answer the question.
Okay, sir.
Take a screenshot and answer the question. Have you all taken a screenshot?
No, sir, it's
Yes,
not
sir.
coming.
Sir, taken.
Answer the question.
46. Sir, 46.
Correct answer.
Yes,
है। बता दो
right
जल्दी
in
से।
the chat box, not 12.
Give your answer
Yes,
in the
sir.
audio only.
Sir,
The answer is
46.
Sir,
Sir,
46.
46.
46 is the
36.
correct answer.
36. 36.
46. Beta 46.